Bitcoin's Lightning Network, the future of instant payments. The Bitcoin Lightning Network is a revolutionary advancement in the world of cryptocurrency. By allowing for instant payments and transactions, the Lightning Network is set to revolutionize the way we think about digital payments in this video. We will explore what the Lightning Network is, its potential applications, and what it could mean for the future of digital payments. With the Lightning Network, the possibilities are virtually endless. Understanding Bitcoin and its limitations. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, has its limitations. One major limitation is its scalability. As more users join the network and more transactions are made, the Bitcoin network becomes congested, and transactions become slower and more expensive. Additionally, Bitcoin transactions are not private, as all transaction details are recorded on the blockchain and can be viewed by anyone. Another limitation is the high energy consumption required for Bitcoin mining, which is a cause for environmental concern. What is the Lightning Network? The Lightning Network is a second-layer solution built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. It aims to address the scalability issues faced by Bitcoin by enabling instant and low-cost transactions. Essentially, it creates a network of payment channels that allow users to conduct off-chain transactions. These transactions are settled on the blockchain only when necessary, reducing congestion and fees. The Lightning Network utilizes smart contracts and multi-signature wallets to ensure secure and trustless transactions. How the Lightning Network works. The Lightning Network works by creating a network of payment channels that enable off-chain transactions. Users open these channels by depositing funds into multi-signature wallets, which are controlled by smart contracts. They can then send and receive payments instantly and privately within the channel. Transactions are not immediately settled on the Bitcoin blockchain, but are only recorded when necessary, reducing congestion and fees. Benefits of the Lightning Network. The Lightning Network offers several key benefits that make it an exciting advancement in the world of cryptocurrency. Firstly, it enables instant transactions, allowing for near-instantaneous payments without the need for confirmations on the Bitcoin blockchain. Secondly, it reduces transaction fees significantly, making microtransactions economically viable. Thirdly, the Lightning Network enhances privacy by keeping most transactions off-chain, away from public view. Lastly, it has the potential to greatly increase the scalability of Bitcoin, accommodating a larger number of users and transactions without congesting the network. Use cases for the Lightning Network. The Lightning Network opens up a wide range of potential use cases for instant payments. One key use case is in e-commerce, where buyers can make microtransactions instantly and at a low cost, allowing for a seamless shopping experience. The Lightning Network also has the potential to revolutionize the remittance industry, enabling individuals to send money across borders quickly and inexpensively. Additionally, it could be used in the Internet of Things (IoT) ecosystem, allowing for machine-to-machine microtransactions in real time. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.